All right, today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights, also called the dome lights, also called the interior lights of this GMC Sierra. All right, I'm going to show you how to turn them on and turn on the feature to where when you open the door, they turn on, and when you shut the door, they turn off. Or if you don't want that, to where you can open the door and they don't turn on at all. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the GMC Sierra. Now, in order to turn on and off the ceiling lights, the dome lights, whatever you want to call it, all you're gonna do is look towards the ceiling because that's where they're at. All right, so once you're towards the ceiling, you can see that there are lights right here. I'm gonna show you how to turn on the reading lights first. Now, you simply do that by pressing this button right here. You see it, and it turns on for the driver's side. You want to turn it off, do that. If you want to turn it on for the passenger side, you go ahead, press that. You want to turn it off, go ahead and press that. All right, so that is that. Now, if you want to turn on all of the ceiling lights, all the lights, yay. All right, you're gonna go ahead and press this button right here. It's an on-off button. So press that, and all of the lights on here turn on, even the ones in the rear. See that? And turn it off, you just simply go ahead and press that. Now, there's a door feature. So when I open the door, you hear me open the door? The lights did not turn on. Why is that? I'll show you why. Now I'm gonna shut the door. It's because of this feature right here. Now, when this light is on, when I open the door, it doesn't turn on. But if I go ahead, I just shut the door. If you want the lights to turn on when you open the door, you simply press this to where that light is off. And watch this. When I open the door, the lights turn on. As simple as that. Easy peasy. I don't know the rest of it. If anyone knows the rest of that saying, help me out, please. Just like that. And that is how you turn on and off the interior ceiling, dome lights, reading lights, interior lights. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.